In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily lock screen on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off let me show you how we can easily lock screen of our device. To do that, all we have to do is just press at the power button, which is located at the right edge of your device. Just press on it and it will immediately lock your screen. After that, to unlock your device, you can just tap at your screen and then swipe up. Now the device is unlocked. However, as of now, even if it is locked, anyone can get access to your phone by unlocking it. If you want to prevent others from using your phone when it is locked, you need to configure Face ID or passcode, or both of them at the same time. To do that, we need to go to Settings. If you can't find that settings icon on your home screen, you might try to search for that app icon on another home screen, or the easiest way is just to swipe down at any of your home screens and then just search for Settings. Then open up Settings and in Settings, scroll down and tap at Face ID and Passcode. Let me show you how we can easily create passcode. You need to tap at Turn Passcode On, then enter your passcode, then re-enter it. You will be prompted to enter your Apple ID password to continue. Once you have entered it, just tap at Sign In. After that, you will be taken to Face ID and Passcode. As you can see now, it says Turn Passcode Off. It means that passcode is now enabled on your device. If we lock our screen and if we'll try to unlock it, we'll be asked to enter the passcode we have just set. However, the best way to protect your device is enable Face ID. To do that, we need to go to Face ID and Passcode again. Then we'll be asked to enter our passcode, and then all we have to do is just tap at Set Up Face ID. After that, we need to take our device in hand, tap at Get Started, and then we need to position our face in that circle, and then we need to move it around in this way. Then tap at Continue and move your face around one more time. Second Face ID scan completed. After that, we need to tap at Done, and then we can check how Face ID actually works. To do that, we need to lock our device, and then if we'll try to unlock it, we can notice that lock icon at the top of the lock screen. It means that our device is locked, and as soon as I looked into the frontal camera, my device became unlocked immediately because the device has just scanned my face and unlocked the device. That's how you can easily lock your iPhone screen and prevent others from using your phone when it is locked.